Hello everyone! In the following video we will see how to control our system through MobileTTE application. You can download MobileTTE for free for both Android and iOS. Now here's how to add our system to MobileTTE. Start the app, go to Menu, Add System. As you can see, there are two options, Manual and Scan QR Code. To add our system manually, press Manual. Then we need to use the credentials that we created in the last video. Press Next. Choose your system, My Bravo. Then press Finish. As you can see, our system is now part of our system list. The other option for adding system to MobileTTE is by scanning a QR code. For that, we first need to enter Ajax web application. We need to go to teletechajax.com and log in. Then we need to press button Edit. The server will generate a QR code which we can use to add our system to MobileTTE. We can now go back to the application, go to Add System and scan the QR code. To enter your system, you just need to tap on it. Then use your user code to enter. By default, the user code is 0000. You can use the menu of the mobile application to change your access code. Go to Menu, User Code, Change. And here's how you can control your system through the mobile application. Enter your system. As you can see, you have three buttons for arming, partial arming, and disarming the system. As you can see on the left hand side, you can see the current status of the system. It is disarmed. We can press full arm and we can change the status of the system. MobileTTE can send push notifications for different events in the system. If you would like to receive them, you have to go to Menu, Settings, and enable the push notification. After we enable that option, we'll be able to receive notifications even when MobileTTE is working on a background. Thank you for watching our videos. If you need more information regarding our systems, do not hesitate to contact us. Working with Bravo is fun.